Let's talk about the 2026 Tesla Model Y. It's fun, it's awesome, but it's also a bit complicated.
So, the new Juniper refresh is here. Is this a huge upgrade or just a little facelift?
Well, one reviewer thinks it's a huge leap forward, a full 30% improvement over the last one.
Okay, let's get into it. Part 1, the thrill of the drive. That feeling is just satisfying. You could even say the instant acceleration is pretty addictive.
Just how addictive? We're talking 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds. Yeah, that'll get you going.
And they fixed the biggest complaint, the harsh ride. The new suspension feels so much more premium. And it's not just the ride. The whole car feels more premium now. Better seats, better sound, everything. But a car is more than just the drive, right? It's about your lifestyle, and this is pretty awesome.
This car's versatility is a huge reason people love it. It's great for camping or for winter storms.
I mean, check out this camping setup. Owners get super creative for their off-grid adventures. And for winter, one owner calls it the best winter car on the road. Now that's a big claim.
You can preheat it from your phone, and traction is amazing. So even with less range, it's a game changer.
Okay, so the driving is fun, the lifestyle is awesome, but let's talk about the reality of owning one.
And here's where it gets interesting. Look at that maintenance cost. It's incredibly low for a luxury SUV.
But then you see the insurance costs. Yeah, that's a whole different story. Ouch.
And it's not just the money. For a lot of owners, the absolute worst part is the service. Long waits, no loaner cars. Basically, getting the car fixed can be a real headache.
All right, so let's put it all together. What's the final verdict on the 2026 Model Y? Bottom line, it's an amazing car. It's just not a perfect ownership experience. So you have the awesome performance and versatility, but you gotta be ready for the reality check.
Which leaves us with the big question. Is that incredible drive really worth all the potential headaches?